Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Rim Show, and welcome back. I'm going to give you an update on my testing of the iRonSnow emergency radio. This is the one I just did a show on a couple of shows ago, and I did some offline testing because it didn't get kind of boring to watch it, so I said, I'm going to do it offline, and I'm going to give you the results. And here we go. So I push the right button here. There we go. This is the IS-366. It sells for $19.95 on Amazon. And I did several tests. I did a test where I fully charged the radio with the USB port. And I ran the light and the radio at the same time because I figured this probably would last a while if I just did one or the other. So I had both on. I had the light on and the radio on, and the radio played for about 7 hours. 7 hours on a full charge, continuous playing, continuous light on. That's pretty good. The next one was a duration after 4 hours of solar charging. And the way I charged it is I stuck it in the window. The sun is now getting almost direct on these radios because we're in the winter and the sun is lower on the horizon, so it's able to come in that window. But it wasn't outside with direct sunlight, so kind of indirect sunlight. And I charged for 4 hours. Now, that's kind of random because it can be cloudy or whatever during those 4 hours. So it's not really a precise test. Anyway, I got 30 minutes of playtime of the radio only. Only played the radio. Then I did my infamous 5-minute crank, dyno crank. And this radio, the dyno crank, was very stiff, very stiff. And typically that's an indication that it's doing a good job of charging. So I cranked for a minute, rested, cranked for another minute, rested, and I did this until I had a cumulative time of 5 minutes. Then I played the radio only, and it played for about 15 minutes. So that's the results. Overall, pretty good. Matter of fact, I used this PowerPoint presentation for another emergency radio quite some time ago, and the numbers were almost exactly the same. So this is very consistent with other radios using that big 18650, I guess it is, 3.7 volt battery that's included. Those batteries do give a lot of power. Now a lot of people complain like it's not a AAA battery, and I understand that. It's not a battery that you can run down to the drugstore and get easily. But more and more radio manufacturers are using those big fat batteries because they have a lot of capacity. Anyway, if you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. And thanks to the gentleman at iRonSnow for sending me these radios for review. Have a great day. Bye-bye.